Eee. Oh, Ford Durable Tech. I could have swore I just worked on one of these. Starter. It sounds like the flywheel's broke. I'm hoping it's not. I put a starter in this about 2 years ago. It never sounded right. It's down there where you can't see it. Of course, the first thing you have to do is disconnect the negative terminal. I like these jobs so much, I feel like being impatient and just doing it and not doing a video on it. There's probably a ton of videos on this job anyways. First thing you want to do is get an 8mm, take these 3 bolts out here. And that's no longer an 8mm. It's rusted. 7mm it is. There should be a whole bunch of 5.5mm along here. A lot of them are gone. They're probably broke from the last time this was done. Now I can get at these solenoid bolts. This is usually a 13. This is a remanufactured starter though, so it's a 12mm on here. That's your battery power too. That's why you want to disconnect your negative. If that touches any ground, it's going to be sparking like crazy if you don't disconnect your battery. Then you got a solenoid bolt right here. That's a 10mm. Yeah, those you get at from right under here. You get your hand up in here. There's a 13mm ground wire here I'm going to want to take off too, just to give myself a little more room to work with. Now there's a starter bolt way up on top that you can barely see. This one's a 17mm. I think a factory one's 15. Somebody put aftermarket bolts on here. I don't know why, but I got a short extension and a 17mm deep well. Take the top one off first, because if you don't, it's going to be a lot harder to get out. And this last one's a little easier to get out. Swivel ratchet, of course. I'm going to loosen up this 18mm cradle bolt. It's all the way loose right now. Now that I took this cradle bolt out, it leaves me a little more room right here. I'm going to try to get it out this way. I got it. So yeah, just take it out through that hole right there. It gives you just enough room after you unbolt it. There's my noise. This thing's all busted up. I see a problem. One of these pins stayed in the hole here. Can't be having that. Just trying to pull it out with a rare earth magnet. They're all in this remanufactured thing. Stick it in the hole just like that. What the heck? Thing's as tight as it wants to get, and it's not tight enough. Something's up with these threads. They're not right. Oh my God, not at all. 10-1-5. I'm going to run a thread chaser down this. Found a longer bolt to throw in there. Okay, the moment of something. Sounds like a starter. Okay, bye.